Hello, Tatu. My name is Timo Veremisch. I'm an author and journalist, and I'm looking forward very much to visiting your literature festival. I guess it's pronounced Kiryandus. I tried to look it up on Google, but I'm not sure if it's spelled or pronounced correctly. I'm going to present my first novel, Look Who's Back. It's about a guy who is dreaming of conquering the world and starting by invading Eastern Europe. Well, I guess it's not so special. It's basically like watching the news. Maybe with the difference that my guy does keep his shirt on. Uh, and if I'm informed correctly, we are also going to talk about the limits of the game. Well, I'm not sure what game we are talking about, but I know a limit for all the games.